Hello everyone, let's start new chapter of science, that is chapter 4 Metals and Non-Metals. Before starting the chapter, let's see what Neha is asking to her mom. Neha, Mom, why is the pen and its handle made of different material? Mom, it is to keep us safe from burns. The pen becomes hot, but the handle does not because they are made of different materials. Neha, which materials are they made of? How are they different? So let's find out answers to Neha's query and the properties of different metals and non-metals used in our day-to-day life. You have studied previously about matter, physical changes and chemical changes. So, let us remind about chemical change. A chemical change is a change in which a substance is changed into one or more new substances. And such a change is a kind of chemical reaction. So, all those substances which cannot be changed into simpler substances by chemical reaction is called elements. The examples of elements are like carbon, oxygen, iron, copper, gold and silver. There are about 118 elements discovered so far. 92 elements are found in nature, while the remaining elements are prepared artificially. Let's know what are elements. An element is a pure substance that consists of only one kind of an atom. The smallest unit of an element is atom. Elements cannot be broken down into simpler units. So the elements are also known as the building blocks of variety of substances. Let's take an example. An atom of oxygen is different from an atom of copper. Similarly, an atom of sodium metal is different from the atom of sodium present in sodium chloride. Elements are classified into three categories: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. These categories are based on the properties they exhibit. Here you can see few examples of metals like iron, copper, gold, silver, and aluminium. These are the elements which are hard, they are shining, and they are good conductors of heat and electricity. The next category of elements are non-metals. The examples of non-metals are like nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, carbon, etc. These are soft, they are dull in appearance and poor conductors of heat and electricity. Now the third category of elements are metalloids. The example of metalloids are like boron, silicon, arsenic, antimony, etc. These are the elements which has the characteristic of both metals and non-metals. They have the appearance of metals, but they are poor conductors of electricity. I hope you must have understood these topics very well. Thank you and have a nice day.